yet?
Oh my God.
Hi everyone, I'm Juliet from Love Stories TV, and today we're going to be trying on wedding dresses with Sepi Balini, beauty expert and founder of Balini Brows in Los Angeles, California. We filmed this video with Sepi this summer when we went shopping with her for her reception dress, and she just got married this fall, so stick around and watch to see which dress she ends up picking for her reception. We're at Bella Bridal Couture Salon here in the Los Angeles area, where Sepi will be trying on wedding dresses from one of the premier wedding gown designers, Allure Bridals, in hopes of finding the perfect one for her wedding this fall in Cabo. So Sepi, so excited to have you here today. Let's see that ring, this beautiful ring.
Thank
so
you.
Pretty.
He told me that we're gonna meet up with one of his friends at Hotel Bel Air and then go to dinner. So when we were walking to his friend's room, he knocked and then pulled out the key card to the room, and that's when I realized what's happening. But he had like flower petals from the entrance to the balcony where he proposed. And he had like a marry me sign, balloons, flowers, 2 different camera angles because he knows how much I care about that. It was beautiful. And then he surprised me with all of my family and friends at his parents' house. So we went there afterwards and I was surprised again with everybody surprising me there. So it was really nice.
You got engaged in COVID, and
Yes.
you also got legally married just a few months after. Can you tell me about that?
When we had a couple of drinks, we were talking, we were like, I wonder if the courts are open for like 12, 22, 20. And then when we looked, they had an opening. So we're like, we're gonna get married on that day. So that's what we did. We got legally married then. And then also because we didn't know when we would actually be able to do it. But yeah, we just did what we had to do.
Tell me about the style and vibe of your wedding in Cabo and what you're looking for in your reception dress.
So it's kind of like a fit and flare, has a very long train. So it's very, I would say a classic wedding dress, which is why I'm kind of looking for something the opposite and more floyd that I can dance in and have a good time. So something that I'll be comfortable in, and I'll be changing my shoes into Converse. So the ceremony and the cocktail hour will be on the beach. Well, not on there because I don't like the sand. And then the wedding vibe for me, I want it to be like a classic but a fun wedding.
Do you guys like it?
Oh, wow. I love all of those tiered. The skirt is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
It's so cute.
This first dress, I love it. This is style E121, the Louise dress by Allure Bridals.
So I do love the ivory tone on you. It really complements your skin tone, and I really love this deep plunge as well. It's got the sheer illusion mesh, so even though you've got the cleavage, you've got a little bit of coverage there too.
Yeah, I love how small it makes my waist look, and I love that it gives me that, shows that hourglass figure that I feel like I have because I have the big shoulders, smaller waist, and big hips. And I feel like it actually flows with my body, and I really love that about it. Mom, do you like this?
Yes, actually I like it. So different, very fun. I love it.
I know, it's super fun, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Can we look?
This is so cute.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
This is so
I know. I was not expecting this.
Oh my God.
Do you love it?
Yeah, this is so nice.
Wow, this cut is so flattering. Ooh.
I like this one more.
Really?
That one was very different, but I like it in your body more.
This is dress number 2, style MJ706 from Madison James. Tell me how you're feeling.
Shocked at how much I love this dress. Like, I can't, I love it. It makes my waist look really small. I know I said that about the last one too, but this one really hugs it in. And I feel like it just makes me feel confident wearing it. I love the last one, but this one makes me feel more confident. I just love it.
There is some sequining through the bodice too, which ombres down the skirt, which is really nice.
This dress would definitely make a statement on the dance floor. Can we peek yet?
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, it's so sparkly and
don't say it's
pretty.
okay.
I love the shimmery details on this one.
I feel like
More party.
very party.
Very
Yes.
party. I know this is really hard.
Very hard.
This is the third and final dress you're trying on today. This is style E17 Gita.
I love this dress. I think it's so different than anything I've ever tried on before. I love the cute little like sparkly dots on it. It's so, like the material is so pretty and it's so different in the length. Everything about this dress is so different than anything I've ever tried on. And I think that's what makes it really, really special for me.
This is a really hard decision. How are you feeling?
It's so difficult. I'm overwhelmed. I love them all. They're so beautiful. The first dress, I love the ruffle in it. I love the color. It was the perfect ivory. I feel like I can really have fun and dance in it. I don't think it complemented my arms as much as I would have wanted to, because my arms are something that I struggle with. So if that's something that's making me, you know, take a step back and really rethink about that decision. And then the second dress, the design, the leaves on it are a perfect match to my ceremony dress. And I think that would be like the perfect dress to change into as the night evolves. The one con about it is I didn't like the way my back looked in it, but I feel like I love the dress so much I could overlook that possibly. Third dress was just the cutest thing. I just love the way I just felt like a little princess in it, but I don't think it was necessarily a wedding dress. I think it's more of a cocktail / like a rehearsal dinner kind of dress. Okay, Mom, which one was your favorite dress?
I like them all, but the first one was, in my opinion, it was the best one.
Okay, well, I guess, are you guys ready for the final reveal?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the dress I decided for my reception dress. How do you like it?
What do you think, Mom?
So cute.
This is it,
Yes,
right?
This is so cute.
This is gonna go perfectly with your ceremony dress. It's got the vining detail, cinches you in at the waist, but it still has that full skirt so you can dance and get down, which I know is what you wanna do. It's so cute, we love it.
I love it too.
It's so
Thank
good.
you guys. I love this.
She found it. So tell me, if you had to give one piece of advice to brides who are shopping for their wedding dress, what would it be?
Go with your gut and just whatever makes you feel comfortable, because at the end of the day, you hopefully get married once and do this one time, and it's your night. So do whatever makes your heart happy. Thank you so much for coming wedding dress shopping with me. I had a lot of fun today. Don't forget to watch my wedding video on lovestoriestv.com. This fall, it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of dancing, maybe even people jumping into the pool. You never know.
I can't wait to see that wedding dress flowing in the video. It's gonna be so good. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on videos like this, and visit lovestoriestv.com to watch more real brides wearing Allure Bridals dresses like this one. See you guys next time.